First trade of the morning, pre-market. I see the nice flowing price action, and it's good, doing way better than yesterday. Uh, but it has already made quite a substantial move and many legs down. So, we tried it. We tried it, and we broke even. Um, but this is exactly why sometimes I like to break even real quickly, especially if the move is already extended down pretty far. So, that little tight little consolidation area, I probably could have got in higher up. So that's probably the big mistake there, is just I didn't get in as early. And I could have hit 1-to-1 if I would have got in a little earlier, maybe. But breaking even, look, I broke even as soon as and it came back and got me. So, yeah, break even trade, first trade of the morning. I'm okay with that. So we'll be looking to see what happens next. You can see the exponential charts. The higher one is trending down, and the lower one is just, it could be setting up for another test to the downside, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's very interesting. I was looking to get this thing as it came back up. I felt like I missed the short here, and if I would have gotten in, I would have gotten stopped out. But then I was waiting for it to come back up and turn red again, and it never did. So I was able to stay out of that short. And now it's starting to rotate up on the lower tick chart. So we have to wait for both of these charts to agree. Now, if it's just going to hang tight and start to build sideways, it's just going to go sideways here, then I'm not going to be able to take a trade. I'm not going to play the range on it. I really want to catch the trend. This might have been the last leg down here for the morning. We might just be consolidating, but there is room for it to go down. There's room for it to go down to these levels down here, yesterday's low. There's room for it to go down. So I'm thinking, why not, if another setup takes place, take a short. We'll see. All right, we're trying to take this trade here. The green bar ignored, trend line break. Hopefully it'll make it. If it doesn't make it, then I'm just going to stop trading for a good minute here, and it may just be consolidating sideways like we said earlier. I just want a 1-to-1 on it. Hopefully it'll just keep going down here. Let's take a look at the setup charts. Yeah, come on, go down. Like I said, if it gets me here, I'm out. I'm going to stay out for a while. I'm not going to keep trying to force it.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm just going to take a break on this thing. If that didn't go, and we broke even down here, it didn't sell off. Here it's not selling off the way I want. It still could, but I don't know if I want to take another stab at it right now. First thing in the morning, I don't want to lose too many in a row before the market even opens. Okay, one more shot at it. One more shot. Let's see if it gets down here. Stopped out again. 2 losses, 1 break even. I said I wasn't going to take that second trade, and I took the third trade really, and lost again. And you can see how it's just faking to go down here too many times. So I have to stop. Market's not even open yet. I'm only down, $43. So let's just not run it too crazy here. Okay, I took another trade, and it just went up to the pivot level and stopped me out, and just enough to kind of it's got to be the time of day, waiting on important news reports. It's 45 minutes away, but it's already made its move, and I think it's waiting for some news before it does anything else. But this can really, really just mess with your head, and I'm over trading. And that's a problem. And so now I'm down almost $100 on this one PA account. So I'm going to switch accounts or go to the simulator, which is something that I think is important. Slow down, stop, wait. Now I'm going to wait till 8:30. I don't care what it does, because apparently the market is waiting. And I need to recognize that in the future. I think after the first couple, I definitely should have stopped like I said I was going to. And then I should have paused and go, what's probably going on right now, and understood that, hey, 8:30 is coming up. We've seen markets move though before and stop and kind of consolidate and wait 15 minutes before the report. It's 45 minutes, so I thought I had enough time. It might be switching directions. I don't know, but I definitely can't keep trying to short this here. I have to stop trying to short this here. So, all right, so we're switching accounts. I'm not going to keep losing in the same account and blowing account. So we're down $100 in a paid account in a past paid account for Apex. So let's stop and let's wait until 8:30, I think. All right, I did switch accounts, which was at least the minimum smart thing to do. $100 per account, switch accounts. I think I made it after 2 or 3 accounts. If I keep losing, I'm going to switch to the simulator, and those are all smart things to do. It looks like I'm going to keep trading. I mean, this looks like a good direction. Look at my exponentials. Switching sides. It's switched sides on the higher tick chart. It's switching sides over here. Why not enter? Well, overall, though, we still have a pretty, the 5-minute chart right here is starting to switch over, right? It's had a long move down, but the day is still red. So, I'm not necessarily thinking, let's ride this to the moon. But if I could get all the way up to the close of yesterday, that'd be nice. That's not unrealistic. I think this pivot right here would be more realistic. That's a 1-to-1. But let's see what the price action does. If it goes up strong and fast, then I will probably take profits. If it just trickles and goes, I might trail the stop. So we'll see what happens. It could come down and stop me out. But either way, I'm gonna stay in this trade until I get stopped out. My rule is do not move your stop and hold for at least 1-to-1. Don't take profits early and don't move your stop farther away. Those are my 2 main priorities on every single trade. Stay in the trade until it hits target 1, and don't move your stop loss. Don't ever increase your stop loss to more loss. Well, we would have hit 1-to-1 on that. I got out early because the news is literally going to be in 10 minutes. I figured don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Take your profit on this particular trade and wait for the news to open. So we are waiting for 8:30 news to open before we take any more trades. So yeah, news just happened, and now it would have stopped me out for a full loss if I didn't take those profits. Let's observe what's going to happen, and let's get into some more trades. $100 limit per account. So we're in our second account with a $40 profit so far. I know it wants to go down to that red line, and I had 2 scalps. I missed this first one right here, which would have got me my target hit. And then I got back in it when it came up to test this trend line, and I broke even. They started going, and I broke even. It came up, broke. And one more time right here, it kept going. I jumped in, and it came up and break even. So 2 break evens and 1 missed opportunity on this after the news price keeps dropping down. So the day chart should be looking a little bit more red here. It needs to go sweep the lows from yesterday, and I'm pretty sure that's where it wants to go. And I'm going to try to get in on that if I can. Here's another opportunity.
Order filled.
All right, we're back. It's continuing to drop here underneath 800.
Target filled.
Target filled. Yes. I wish I could have. Well, let's see what would happen. I mean, if I would have broke even on that thing. I got to draw this all out for my own sanity here. There we go. Yeah, hit target fill. Let's see if it comes back up to that green line. I would just broke even again for the third. There it was. I would have broke even if I didn't take my 1. Trying to put, yeah. So, either just keep your stop where it's supposed to be and let it run, which in this case would have been up here. I would have been here. I would have hit 2-to-1 on that second try if I had just kept my stop up here where it was supposed to be. It came down to 2-to-1 on there. So I got broke even, and we hit target there, missed the trade there. We'll see if this works. I still believe it wants to go down to that red line down there, and it's breaking down below everything again. Green bar ignored. I'm already in it, but I hope this works. I really, really do. I don't want to give back anything. Just go down to where you know you want to go and get that red line down there. Okay, if I go to break even too quick, which I'm going to do, I'm at break even. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Red line, hit the red line. I could take it right now. I could take it at these pivots down here, but I'm just going to hold it. Keep going, all the way down, all the way down. Come on, don't come up, don't come up, don't come up, don't come up, don't come up. Unbelievable. Go, 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 go. Now I'm going to take it to that pivot level. I'm taking it to that. That's locked in just a little bit. I mean, if it comes back up and gets speed, this area right here is just unbelievable. I really think it wants to go down to this red line. Okay, come on, come on. I should just take it at 1-to-1.
Order filled.
I'm just going to close it right at the pivot, bottom pivots, because I've been breaking even for so much. I really need to grab something. So yeah, we're doing good now, buddy. All right, so this account's doing really good. We're down $100 in the first account, and we're up 75 on the second account. And look at what it got me for break even. That was a good call. That was a good call. I like that decision. It's almost at that line, and I almost took that trade right there with the green bar ignored. I almost pushed the button because it's created a lower high here. It's still trending this way. And yeah, it just knew it, man. Sometimes you just have that understanding. This green bar ignored was the entry and right there, and I've already be at 1-to-1 on that thing. I'm upset with myself for not taking that trade. All right, trying to get this short to off the pivot level that it tested a couple of times. I broke even on the first attempt and tried, and once it broke that trend line, tried one more time, and it just came back up and stopped me out. So gave back a little bit of those profits there on the second account. Now that it's back up over the red line, which is yesterday's low, I'm curious to see, what it's going to do. The market will be open in 45 minutes. Is it going to eventually come back down here? It's still bearish. Everything's bearish on all the time charts. But I do need to see what is going to happen here at this pivot level. Okay, we have a little bit of a green bar situation here. Now, if it gets ignored, I'm going to do a sell market order here. And stop's just going to be right above the red line and right above the green bar. So let's get that all drawn
Order
up.
filled.
I'm willing to take that try there, right there. Let's do it. Come on down and give me a 1-to-1, buddy boy. I don't want to break even too quick on this thing. Let it come back down to this pivot level even. Come on, come on, come on down, come on down, come on down. I'm reducing my risk a little bit. Come on down, hit that 1-to-1 target, hit that 1-to-1 target. There you go, hit it, hit it, hit it, close.
Order filled.
I'll take 1-to-1 on it. Oh, goodness gracious. I need to trail candle by candle on some of these when it goes like this. Because I could be, I would hit 2. See, I need to get the courage. The reason why I took that trade is because the green bar ignored on the trend line break. I didn't have that on this attempt over here. The scalp, the first scalp up here was just me just playing the red candle. So I got in and it went down and I broke even as fast as possible. If it would have kept going, I broke even as fast as possible. This trade here there was no green bar ignored. I was just playing the trend line break and I moved the trend line. The trend line was up higher and I was just playing it. This was a much higher quality trade with the green bar ignored on it. Let's remember that. Let's remember that. And we might get another setup over here to keep trading this thing right here, right now, possibly. I'm thinking about taking a trade right here. It's got a green bar ignored on it already. Let's see what it does here. It's a very interesting spot. It already swept that pivot, though, down at the bottom. I hate when it starts chopping around like this. I really do. But there is another red bar, a red line from 2 days ago down at the bottom that it might be interested in sweeping down here at the bottom. It might be headed down there. If I get a real cheap trade right here, I might try it. Ooh, there's the chance right there.
Order filled.
I'm just going to take a stab at
Stop
it.
filled.
Oh, okay. So what I was hoping in this case here was that it started turning red. Just have my stop right there, and that's where I got stopped out. Just a quick little potential that it would break down. And so yeah, down $10 on that one. It was worth a try, I think. I still think it's good. It's down. It's trending down. Let's see what we get on this trend line break right here. I don't want to just take the red candle. I mean, okay. On the other side, though, we have an exponential chart where that might be going down here. We have on the exponential charts, we have a green bar ignored. I think it is wanting to go down. I think it is wanting to go down to that next red bar. So what I'm going to do is potentially look for the green bar ignored here. If it continues to rotate on the next red candle, and see if I can get that to help us. Let's see if we get any red developing here. Right now is where it needs to do it. Right here is where it needs to be developing red, hitting this trend line as resistance. And let's see what happens. Let's see if this is it.
Order filled.
Try it. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Don't pop up.
Stop filled.
Boy, that's mean. I got to stop. I don't want to be giving back too much. But yeah, you can see what the idea behind it, though. It didn't work. So we're still up $50 in the second account. Down 100 in the first, up 50 in the second. Still green in the second. Let's see what happens. Keep watching. I see a breakout over a pivot level and a red bar ignored. Hit my target, please. Hit my target, please. Hit my target. Hit my target. Hit my target. Hit my target. I think it wants to go up here to this pivot level at the top, higher, a little bit higher. We'll see what happens. This pivot level up here. That would be great. But my stop is underneath this pivot level structure here. It had a red bar ignored, so it thrust past the top of that. So I'm hoping that it wants to go to this pivot level. I did not wait until the bell opened. So let's see what happens. I think it's a decent try. Okay, is it going to hit the target? I'm going to take it.
Filled.
And I'm going to take it off. Thank goodness. So we're back up to $50 on the second account. Now I really need to just chill out. I'm just spinning my wheels here. I mean, I'm not afraid to take the trades, though. You got to just, if it looks like it's changing direction, go in the other direction. And, eventually we'll learn to take higher quality trades. The exponential charts are switching directions. Red bar ignored. The timing is so important. What time of day is it? What is around news events? And so I need to learn that better. And maybe not take as many trades in an area that's consolidating. So there's the definite improvement I need to make, but I do need to wait until the bell opens at this point.